In today's video, I'm going to show you how to blink LED in tinkercad. To know this, watch the video till the end. First of all, open any browser in your PC and search for tinkercad. Open the first website. Here you can see the options for login and sign up. Press on sign up and make a personal account. After signing up, you will see this interface. Press on create and click on circuit. Here you can see lots of components available. We want the Arduino Uno, click on it and bring it on the middle of the screen. Now we need LED, click on LED and bring it on the middle of the screen. Connect short leg of LED to ground of the Arduino. Connect long leg to Arduino digital pin number 8. For coding, click on Code in the upper section. Here you can see a built-in code written. We will not use it. Press on Block and switch to Text. Now open Arduino IDE and write the code for blinking LED. First, define the pin you are using in the void setup section. In void loop section, make the LED first high and give delay of 500 millisecond. After that, make the LED low and again give delay of 500 millisecond. Don't forget to give semicolon at the end of every line. Copy the code and paste it on tinkercad. Now press on Start Simulation. You can see the LED is blinking perfectly. You can add more than one LED and write the code accordingly. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you got some knowledge by watching this video, then please support me by subscribing this channel. It will motivate me for making more videos. Friends, do subscribe to this channel for upcoming knowledgeable videos.